senior division from this one in this US National Championship here from this one. So it means old men's here from this one. So I will choose of these best games from this round number 11 here from this one. So let's see of this one from this watch of these video clips here. So let's see of this one. Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in US National Championship 2025. So it means seniors division from this one. So it means the old men's or maybe without seniors division from this one. So how many clocks? 1 hour and 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment. So this is not a round robin or long game but also rapid chess. So exchange by clocks within 15 minutes and 20 seconds increment. From this one in this rapid chess here from this one. So in this today's round number 11 and also between from this Grandmaster in USA is Alexander Fishbane versus by Grandmaster in USA is Alexander Shabalov. So it means in this today's round number 11 in this part of this video we have analyzed of this US National Championship 2025. So white plays Fishbane is e4, c5 Shabalov Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6. Without move by d6 by Shabalov. So these are the main lines. Is also knight to c6 without upcoming by without bishop or without Scoldrosal Limo from this one, or maybe here by e6 by French defense here from this one. So Shabalov by d6 by Shabalov without move controls here from this one, and also d4 capture this pawn. Knight takes is called exchange variations, so it means without Sicilian defense here from this one. Knight f6 or maybe without idea by threats by e4 without controls here from this one, and knight c3 and also g6 with idea without move by bishop to g7 without upcoming by castling kingside by Shabalov here from this one, and bishop e2 by Fishbane upcoming by castling kingside by without castle here from this one, and bishop to g7 by ready by castling by Shabalov. Bishop e3 without bishop pairs, so it means without doubles by bishop here from this one, and castling by Shabalov, so it means without castling here from this one, and queen d2 with idea by Fishbane to move side by queen side, castling queen side here from this one. And also knight c6 without move attacks by knights here from this one, and castling queen side by Fishbane without move side without castling here from this one. And also bishop to d7, king b1 without forced move by Fishbane, and rook c8 without controls, without move side or maybe without pins, without pawns. So controls by without lines or mathematicians here from this one, or without controls here from this one. And also f3 by Fishbane, and also knight e5, so it means novelty but bad novelty by Shabalov of this game. So these are the old main line here. The first novelty is rook to e1, second by here by e5, so e5, third knight takes captured, and fourth by a5. So a5 is a first, second, third, fourth novelty. So new novelty is knight to e5, so it means bad move by Shabalov from this one. So it means without knight e5 here from this one, and h4, so it means X by move by Greats by Fishbane here from this one. So the best moves there is rook to c1. It's called by castle kingside. Without nice shot without castling queenside here from this one. So back there, this one is h4 by Fishbane here from this one, and also h5 without stop by pawns here from this one, and also bishop h6 without attacks by bishop, so it means that's not one of this computer by Fishbane. So the best moves there is knight to b3. So controls with idea 2 without knight pairs here from this one, or controls or slightly betters from these whites here. So back there, this bishop h6 by Fishbane. Bishop takes capture, takes. So the first puzzle. So what do you think the finding the sacrifice brilliant move? So it's black to play by Shabalov. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is boom! Rook takes captured knight. The rook! I thought the Gotham chess set. So it means shocked by Gotham check. I mean shocking by Gotham chess said here from this one. So Gotham chess is very shocked. So it means rook takes captured brilliant move by Shabalov from this one. And pawn capture sacrifice. So these are the without doubles by pawns is called by weak pawns here from this one. So it means without weakest pawn, without controls here from this one. And also queen b6 check, and also king a1, rook c8 without idea by attacks by pawn. So it means bad move by Shabalov. So the best moves there is queen to c7 here. So it means without queen c7 or maybe with a slightly betters from this one, from these blocks here, from this one for continuations. So back there, this one is rook c8 by Shabalov here from this one, and also queen d2 defense by pawns, and also pawn d5 another bad move by Shabalov. So the best moves there is queen c7 only again. So it means without queen c7 or controls or determination. So these are the slightly betters here. So it means 2 times without miss this one, the best moves here from this one. So it means the back there is d5 by Shabalov here from this one, and knight b3 without defense. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is rook to b1 because these are threats by queens. So without threats by queens, and decided this one is queen to c7. So etc. So it means these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here from this one. These are controls here. So back there, this one is knight b3 here from this one without controls, without capture this pawn, queen d4 without queen to queen, ignoring good move by Shabalov, without targets by pawns, with idea to threatening by pawns. So that controls here from this one, and also c4 by Fishbane here from this one, and takes, and also knight takes captured, or maybe the idea by attacks this one, and bishop takes captured, queen takes without queen to queen, and Fishbane takes, accept takes, and also king b2 without king b2 here from this one, and bishop c6. So it means without threats by pawns, so it means bad move. So the best moves there, this one is king to g7 here. So it means without king g7 or without controls, these are the slightly betters from this one, from blacks here, from this one. So it's slightly betters here. So back there, this one is bishop c6 without threats by pawns here from this one, and rook d4 without rook to rook. So it means error move. So the best moves there is one is rook to d3. Rook to d3 here. So defense here from this one, or without slightly betters here. Slightly betters from whites here. So back there is rook d4 here from this one. Rook takes captured, wrong again, wrong move. So the best moves there is bishop captured pawn. So capture this pawn without threats by rooks, with idea, decided it's rook f1. So it means these are the slightly betters here from this one. So back there, this one is rook takes captured, knight takes captured, threats by bishop d5, without bishop d5 here, and rook e1. Without rook e1 here, and also e6. So without e6 here, or maybe here by rook's threats by pawns, or with the idea by pawns threats, and also e6. So e6 is a move side by Shabalov. So for example, so in Akse, why don't we bishop takes captured? So what do you think from this one? So how do you think if you controls and also knight takes captured bishop? So etc etc. So these are the good examples here from this one. So back there, this one is e6 by here by Shabalov here from this one, and also pawn to f4, knight d7, or maybe the idea to move side by here, knight to c5, or maybe here by knight to b6 without move side, or next move here from this one, and knight b5 without threats by pawns by a7, pawn a6 threats by knights, knight d6 without controls by Fishbane without controls by develops here, and also king f8, pawn c4 with the idea by threats by bishop, bishop backwards c6, king c3, king must be active, and king must be active by king e7, threats by knights, knight c8 check, and also king d8, knight d6, king e7 good move, knight takes, knight c8 check, king f6, so it means bad move by Shabalov. So the best moves there is king to d8. So it means without control, so it means these are the slightly betters from black. So back there is king f6, king d4, king must be active, king f5, knight d6 check, so it means bad move by Fishbane. So the best moves there is one. So the best moves is one is knight to e7 check. So without check, or maybe like without traps by bishop. So these are the slightly betters from goods from whites and blacks. So it means examples here. And this one. So back there is knight d6 check here from this one, and king g4. So what happened to Shabalov? So it means blunderatious by in these black pieces here from this one. So what happened this blunderatious? So the best moves there is king to f6. With the idea to controls here from this one, these are the slightly betters from these blacks here from this one. So back there, this one is king to g4 by Shabalov with idea by threats by pawns or pawns threats by pawns, or attacks by with the targets here from this one, and knight takes captured pawns, king takes captured pawns, rook takes captured with idea by rook captured, threats by pawns here with the controls here from this one, and also king g4, knight e5 check without captured by knight, so it means doesn't want of computer. So the best moves there is rook captured, pawn check. So without captured this one, these are the good slightly betters from this one from whites and blacks here. So whites is a slightly better here. So back there is knight to e5 check, and king f5 without good move here by Shabalov here from this one, so it means good move. So for example, in accept, why don't we knight takes capture, knight takes e5 here? So what do you think from this one, and pawn takes capture? So etc etc. These are the slightly good examples here from this one. So it means, so back there, this one is king f5 with idea by threats by rooks here from this one, and rook d6 here, knight f8. Oh, what happened? Another blunderations. Another blunderations by Shabalov. So it means double question mark here from this one. So what happened to blunderations? So the best moves there is knight captured. There, knight takes e5. So it means knight takes e5 with idea to pawn takes capture. So these are easy goods for whites and blacks here from this one. So back there, knight f8. So what do you think that realized the best shot by great move by GM Fishbane? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Knight takes captured bishop without great move by Alexander Fishbane. Pawn takes knight. Oh, without knights here. Or maybe without rooks by Fishbanes and knights by Shabalov. And also rook versus knight. Or maybe by 3 pawns by Fishbane and 4 pawns by Shabalov. So it means 3 versus 4 here from this one. And also king e3. Knight e6 with idea to move here. So it means, so move decided here from this one. And rook takes captured. Knight takes captured with idea by captured. I don't know captured here from this one. Rook takes captured. Oh, without same by pawns here from this one. Pawn h4. And also king f3. Knight e6 with idea by knight to d4 check without controls or check here from this one. And rook a5 check. And also king f6. And the last shot from this one is king g4. So it means resigns by Shabalov. So why he resigns? Because so if he move by here by g5, so g5 only move here from this one, and also rook to f5 check. So if you king g6, here, so king g6 here from this one, and also a4. Where do you from a4? So a4 here. So a4 from this one, and if you knight d4. So knight d4 threats by rooks here, and also rook to captured. Rook takes g5 check. So if you move by king h6 here, move by king h6 and also a5. So a5, oh very fun, a5 and knight to c6. So knight to c6, so knight c6 here, and also a6, and also knight to b8, and also a7. So these are unstoppable by pawns, promotes by queens. So it means lose from blacks here from this one. So congratulations by Grandmaster Alexander Fishbane from this one. So it means lose by Shabalov. So let's see of these final results after this one seniors division. This one very fun. Okay, so these are the first place from 5.5 points by Grandmaster Alexander Fishbane without gold medals here from this one, and score by same by 5.5 points by silver medals by Grandmaster Vladimir Akopane by USA, and bronze medal by 5.5 by Grandmaster Alexander Shabalov. 4th placer 5 points is Larry Christiansen from Grandmaster, 5 points by Alexander Goldin from Grandmaster, 4.5 by Grandmaster Igor Navikov, 7 is Grandmaster Joel Benjamin, and number 8 by 3.5 points by Grandmaster Maxim Blogi from this one, and the 9 is Grandmaster Gregory Kaidanov from USA, and the last number 10 by 2.5 points by International Master Timothy Taylor from this one. So it means the tiebreakers, so it means congratulations of this top 3 from the seniors division here from this one. So I hope at this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.